Stuck with the "this PC doesn't meet Windows 11 requirements" error? Here's how to fix it. This error usually appears because of requirements like TPM 2.0, secure boot, or an unsupported CPU. Let's bypass it. First, the registry edit method. During the Windows setup, when the error appears, press Shift plus F10 to open command prompt. Type regedit and press enter. In the registry editor, navigate to HKEY_local_machine system setup. Right-click the setup key. Select New Greater Than Key and name it labconfig. Inside labconfig, right-click, choose New Greater Than DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Bypass TPM Check. Double-click it and set its value to 1. Repeat this process to create Bypass Secure Boot Check and Bypass CPU Check, also setting their values to 1. Close the editor and command prompt, and the installation should now proceed. A simpler method is using Rufus. Download the Rufus tool and the Windows 11 ISO file. Open Rufus, select your USB drive and the ISO. Rufus will offer options to remove the requirements for TPM, secure boot, and RAM. Just check the boxes, create the bootable USB, and use it to install Windows 11 without any errors. Remember, these methods are for unsupported PCs and might have risks, so always back up your data first.